that is. Right here is the transportation hub. The fins are completed, I believe. Got some welding work getting done right there on the end. Truly looking beautiful. And Tower 3 now has its work restarted. And it will rise up to its 80 stories. And once it does that, it will pass Tower 4. Here's the Freedom Tower, or One World Trade Center, whichever one you'd like to call it. What a beauty. And there's Tower 7 with it. I wonder what this is going to be right here. There's more welding work being done. Looking good, really looking good. This is Trinity Place and Liberty Street, 4 World Trade Center, and we can now see the new work with Tower 3 World Trade Center. There is a new construction elevator that looks like it's going to be built. And the core is rising. I'm truly amazed. I'm really glad to see this one start. Tower 3 is actually one of my favorites. Tower 4 is almost completely closed. So yep, here's the back of Tower 3. This here looks like it'll be another construction elevator. You have 2 cranes up there. And soon more steel work will start. The crane that was stored over there is gone now. That crane is gone and the 2 at the top are installed. So yep, this will be the new construction elevator. This one is going to rise up and it's going to pass Tower 4. Here's the transportation hub. All the fins are completed, just about, looks like it. Got some more welding work being done here. Really looks like the site is really changing every day. Here's 2 World Trade Center. Looks like it's still on hold right now. You can truly see how the transit hub has really come along and changed shape. Really, really unique. Free World Trade Center. Yeah, I don't see any new steel, but the core is definitely rising. Probably in about another month or 2. We'll see a lot more. But I'm really looking forward to seeing this one rise up. And you know, 2 World Trade Center looks like it's still on hold, but you know what? I have a strong feeling that if Tower 3 is about to start, well, it is starting, I'm pretty sure Tower 2 will be close behind it. Tower 3 is starting, I'm pretty sure that 2 will be close behind it. Then it will be 88 stories. Bessie Street and Church. Two World Trade Center. Still on hold, but like I said, I got a strong feeling it'll start shortly after 3. Wow. Just look at that shape. Just look at that. It's amazing.